Well, you know, we are past the peak of hurricane season, but it is not the time to get comfortable yet. We still have another month and a half to go in this year's season. And since the 1800s, there have been 172 tropical storms and 252 hurricanes in the month of October. Meteorologist Chris Mulcahy showcases some of the most notorious October monsters in this week's Weather IQ.
Hurricane season may be winding down, but October is still responsible for over 20% of the tropical storms and hurricanes we see in a season. Let's raise our weather IQ and learn about those infamous October hurricanes. 1954, Hurricane Hazel. Hurricane Hazel made landfall as a strong Category 4 between North and South Carolina on October 15th. Hazel reached peak winds of 140 miles per hour. The storm surge created was the worst ever recorded in North Carolina at the time. 1998, Hurricane Mitch. Mitch was the deadliest October hurricane and ranks as one of the all-time deadliest hurricanes dating back to 1780. Over 20% of Honduras's population was left homeless. Honduras and Nicaragua saw floods and devastating landslides, taking the lives of over 19,000 people. 2005, Hurricane Wilma. Not only was Wilma the strongest October hurricane, reaching a peak of 185 miles per hour, but the 2005 storm holds the record for the lowest barometric pressure ever recorded in the Atlantic. 2018, Hurricane Michael. Michael was only the fourth Category 5 hurricane to ever make landfall in the United States. On October 10, 2018, Michael produced catastrophic damage for Mexico Beach and Panama City. The peak estimated sustained winds were 160 miles per hour, the strongest winds for a U.S. landfall since Hurricane Andrew. Others to mention: Opal, Sandy, Matthew, Delta, and Zeta. But this list just proves that October hurricanes can be just as catastrophic as the ones we see in August and September. I'm meteorologist Chris Mulcahy, and we're now all a little bit more weather-wise.
Yes, indeed. And if you'd like some more insights just like this, you can check out the Weather IQ YouTube page. And we made it really easy for you. You could actually just scan that QR code that's on your screen using your phone's camera, and it will take you right there.